We are right now, um, storm chasing, playing Twisted. There's a humongous E6 type, EF6 type of tornado right there. If you could see my mouse cursor, yep, you could see how humongous that is. It's humongous. It's a humongous tornado. Um, we are so hooked. Um, I have a tornado puncher. Um, out like over that direction. Like I went into the tornado. Nothing good happened. I tried to respawn the car because like it just stuck. But no, I got blown from like 600 miles away. Even yeah, it's like weird. Um, this storm is weird. Um, wait a second. Where's the yes? Oh no, you can't see anything. Control C. Oh yes. Now the display, the video capture. Delete. Oh okay. Okay. Yeah. Um, we look back. Everything is good. Everything is okay. The storm currently um is right in front of us. This is insane. Oh my god. We are actually cooked. I'm going here. Wait a minute. Is it pulling me? Is that pulling me? This is like the dude. This is something brand new, guys. This is the Haram incident because it started in yeah. That's the biggest city this year. Yeah, this is the Haram incident. The Haram incident is a humongous tornado that like yeah now hashtag Haram incident. The Haram incident is the biggest tornadoes ever. I'm making stuff up. We're like trying to catch up with this, but like we know it's too fast for us. This so like let me explain. Before this even this tornado, I was chasing another tornado, and then this tornado. Oh my god! No, wait a minute. Is this pulling me? Oh yeah, this is pulling me. Should I deploy? No, because I know what happened last time I deployed. I tried to undeploy and I flung towards it. So I'm gonna try to recreate that one, like, say, oh wow, that's close. Wait, oh, is that? Yeah, that is really pulling me. Gotta go to the sky, or try. Um, yep, no, oh no, oh yeah, I'm currently in the sky. Um, where currently am? Can I see the freaking tornado from? Is that a completely different tornado? What? How far did I? How far did I get flung away from this tornado? Okay, the tornado. The tornado is currently. Hello. Okay, the tornado is currently over there. Where am I? Am I like over here? Wait a minute. Where am I? Why can't I find myself? Hello? Why can't I find myself? Um, why can't I find myself? Where am I? I know I'm near to a different tornado, so that means I'm somewhere. What? Wait, Oh my god, that's humongous. That's literally the world's biggest tornado. I'm not even joking. That's humongous. That's like 50 miles wide. No, 50 miles wide. 50 miles wide is like as wide as the whole entire. Um, that's insane. And also beautiful at the same time. Is that dying? Is that actually dying right now? Dying? Or is it just getting stronger? Who knows? I don't. I bet some dude is just chasing that tornado being like, oh, that's cool, and then they just see this humongous wall of wind. Just, this is like crazy. How long has this recording been going for? 6 minutes. Wow. 6 minutes, that's a long time. Car? Okay, car is carring now. Did that really just get that much bigger? Oh my god. No, this is like the worst storm ever. Um, the Haram incident is worse than the Casoda incident. Casoda incident. Oh my god. Oh my god. I gotta show this to my friends. Oh my god. Wait, what the? Wait a minute. That's not that close, right? No, 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 no. And I was half a mile from that tornado. I just noticed that, oh, yep, I'm totally entered. Oh, okay, yeah. If I'm. And I'm never doing face cam videos again because I looked at it when I was at school and like it did horrible. Um, oh my god. Wait, did that go away? No, it did not go away. But I did go away. That is insane. That was an insane clip right there. And then now that's just skedaddling. Or should I just check? Yep, that's saying goodbye. This is really beautiful. Maybe I should get. Is there something with the Rocket Pro? Cause like it never shows. Tornado Puncher. What is this guy doing? Is he like, um, oh, he's trying to. Oh, he wants to ride, but I guess like, he's a Scout driver. I bet bro was cooked in that tornado. Yep, and that goes away. Okay, where? New storm? W? W, there's a new storm, oh my god, I have to again to. Did bro really just come out of, like, nowhere to just come look at my tornado puncher? Like, it's literally not even, like, the best vehicle in the game. There's a new storm over there. Dude, imagine if somebody sees this and does, like one of those, edits. Like the ROM incident. Oh my god. That was insane. Um, well, I do have to stop recording now.